Hi Taurus, welcome to your weekly reading. This will be a brief reading. If you want your deep messages for November, I have already uploaded your Taurus monthly reading. Please check out on my channel. These will be brief messages that I get straight away. Let's see. Taurus for the first week of November, please. Taurus for the first week of November, please. Taurus for the first week of November. Very good. This was the first one. I'll take it as past. This is present, and what is there in upcoming future. Upcoming future. Upcoming future. Upcoming future. Page of Cups. Okay. With the Sun card in the past, I can see there was some kind of very happy kind of energies in past in regards to your work, in regards to your personal life, emotions whatsoever. Most likely emotions, because the Six of Cups is here in the present. And with the present situation, I can see there's some kind of happy times that you might be spending with your loved ones, maybe with your person, maybe you are having a very good time with them, maybe at present you are just thinking of getting back to that particular stage where you two are together, or you are gelling together, spending some quality time with each other. And this is a card for reconciliation. Many of you might be getting into that sense, I really need to get that person back, or might be someone towards you feeling that same way. You might be thinking of getting connected or reconnected with someone, or you might be just willing to have some time, some pleasure time, some happy time with that particular person. With the Page of Cups in your future position, that is your upcoming week, the first week of November, I see there's some kind of wishing, some kind of thoughts going on in regards to these emotions, some kind of imagination you might be dreaming of, maybe connecting with that particular person, as I can see, or might be thinking in regards to that person, what that person exactly thinks of me, or maybe anything of that manner, what exactly she or he wants, what exactly is gonna happen. It's gonna happen in that manner. Some childlike energy it will be for the next whole week. Sorry. The Page of Cups is a very new energy. You'll be thinking something new, doing something new in regards to your emotions, in regards to your personal life, maybe. When the two cards, I can see very much clearly that it straight away is the Cups card, then I am sure that there was such a pleasant past in regards to this particular connection you might be dealing with, and there were happy times, and you are still happy somewhere with this person, but things are not really clear, things are not going the way you wanted, because some kind of immaturity, I think, will be involved in at your point, at your stand, in the actions that you might be taking or thinking of taking. This will be very immature, childlike energy it is with the Page of Cups. So the advice for the week is you need to control your thoughts, maintain that balance. And it's better to share whatever it may go through in your mind. Whatever it is, just go with the flow. First thing. Second, make sure you just keep that one thing in mind, that is, you need to share. And if you can't share, don't just go on and on with the same kind of imagination, even when you know the reality. This is what I see. Because even after knowing the reality, even when you know the situation, or you know even after knowing something in regards to that, you will be behaving immature. you know and this is not what is prescribed for the first week. So make sure you are under control. Let's see what your health card tells us for the week. Taurus health card for the week. Taurus health card for the first week of November. Strength. You need to keep up with the strength in whatever it is that you might be going on. And on the even on the health front, if things are not going well, you are not getting that recovery that you might be expecting, you need to hold on to that strength within yourself, so that later or sooner the things will get better in regards to your health. Even if you get some kind of health issues, which I'm not seeing any health issue coming new again, or returning back. It's just you need to keep strength high, even if you are going through some kind of illness. As of now, it can be anything. It can be mental, it can be physical, it can be nervous, it can be as normal as some recurring headaches. But you need to keep yourself calm and composed. Rest. I don't see any kind of health issues coming up on this week for you. Let's see now what oracles say. The message. Please guide us through the message that it might require for the week of November, first week of November. Okay, 3 cards straight away out. First, yes, you are worried. Dhuni. Burn all your worries, fears, anger, hurts, jealousy, and diseases in my Dhuni. This is what God is saying to you. Repetition in life. Lessons in this life and in subsequent lives are repeated unless you learn from them. If you are going through some kind of situation in your life that is repeating again and again, then there is still something that you need to learn. Make sure that you learn ASAP, so that these situations don't repeat again and again. Ignore. Talk less about your pains and hurts. Don't give them a place in your consciousness. This message straight away tells me that no matter whatever is going on, in regards to your health or in regards to your situation, keep that strength up. Don't let negativity hold on to you. Don't give that space to that negative thinking, negative energies within yourself at all, so that it's not even around you. And don't forget, what you think is what you attract. Okay, Taurus, if you liked my reading, thank you. Let me know in the comment section below, and thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. We'll meet next week. Bye bye.